In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Claude Opus. To get started, open Claude in your web browser. If you already have an account, sign in. If not, go ahead and create one. Then continue to the main chat interface. This is where all of your conversations happen, and it's the central place you'll use to interact with the model. Once you're inside the chat area, look for the model selector if your account gives you access to multiple models. Click it, choose Claude Opus, and then start a new conversation. This makes sure you're working with the right model from the beginning, which is especially helpful if you want stronger reasoning, writing, or analysis support. Now you're ready to enter your prompt. Type a clear, detailed request into the chat box. For example, you might ask Claude Opus to write a blog post about digital marketing, summarize a document, create a business proposal, or explain a complex topic in simple terms. In general, the more specific you are, the better your results will be. Including details like audience, tone, format, or goal can make the response much more useful. If needed, you can also upload files for Claude Opus to analyze. This may include PDFs, Word documents, text files, and images if image support is available. After uploading your material, ask questions about it directly. This is especially useful when you want help reviewing, summarizing, or extracting key information from existing content. If the first response isn't exactly what you need, refine your request. You can ask for more detail, request a different tone, shorten or expand the answer, or ask for examples and revisions. For instance, you could say, rewrite this in a professional tone. This back and forth process is one of the best ways to get a polished result. Claude Opus is also very useful for research and analysis. You can use it for content creation, business planning, coding assistance, data analysis, brainstorming, and document review. Just remember to provide enough context so the output is relevant and accurate. For longer projects, Claude Opus can help generate articles, reports, marketing copy, email sequences, social media content, and study materials. A helpful tip here is to break large tasks into smaller parts, so each response stays focused and easier to improve. As you continue chatting, Claude remembers the context within the current conversation. That means you can build on previous responses, request revisions, ask follow-up questions, and expand existing content without starting over. When you get a response, you want to keep, copy, and save it in your documents, project tools, note-taking apps, or content systems. And if you want to switch to a completely different topic, start a new chat to keep everything organized and clear.